All right, y'all, we're gonna start with some sausage that we decased. Throw it in there, about a pound's worth. And then we're gonna do another pound of ground beef. We're making some crock pot meatball subs, baby. So you get all the meat out of there so we can make some nice juicy balls. Then we're gonna put 2 eggs that we beat. Top of that. And then to the good part, we're gonna start doing some seasoning. We're gonna do about half a cup's worth of breadcrumbs. About a half cup's worth of grated Parmesan. I'm eyeballing it here. There we go. Some onion powder. Garlic powder, my favorite. Italian seasoning. Just like my Nonna taught me. Some pepper. That's right, baby. We're making some meatballs. We gotta have all the flavor and some salt. We're gonna take our hands, just mix it together with our hands. We've got that mixed in a little bit, and we're gonna add our milk. Now we don't want to overmix the meat. Okay. Now that we have that pretty good mixed up together, we're gonna dump it. We gotta form it into the meatballs. Okay, so the best way to do this, you want to kind of start in bigger groups. So we're gonna break it into quarters. Got to do a little bit of math. So we got it in fourths, and then we're gonna cut each one of these in half. Just doing each one with our hand. It's not gonna be perfect, but it'll be pretty accurate of what we want it to be. And then each of these we're gonna divide into 3. And then we should have 24 meatballs. That's what we're looking for this recipe. All right, we got our final 3, so we should have 24 at this point. So now we're gonna get out our crock pot and start the next phase. All right, y'all, so we're gonna take our meatballs. We're gonna put half of them on the bottom of our crock pot, which is 12. All right, y'all, so we got half our meatballs down there. And then we're gonna take half of this marinara sauce. We have a 24-ounce marinara sauce. We're gonna pour half of that on the bottom there with them. It's about half. Then we're gonna take our other 12, put them on top of that. And then we're gonna pour the rest of the marinara sauce over the top. All right, y'all, once we have all that in there, we're gonna set our crock pot on high, cover it up, and come back in 3 hours, and we'll be almost ready with this. All right, let's check out these tasty meatballs. Ooh, baby. These are looking good. What do you think, Rain?
Look pretty good to me.
These are looking like real authentic. These aren't like the frozen kind. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got to move this party along. All right, y'all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put about 3 meatballs into each sub. We're gonna take some sauce, some extra sauce out of each one, and just give it a nice pour. And if you have a little bit of fat pooling in there, that's good. That's supposed to happen. Just some extra sauce. And then we got some shredded cheese. Got some mozzarella. And just put that over the top. All right, y'all, once we got all the cheese on there, we got the oven preheated to 350. We're just gonna throw it in there for about 5 minutes. We should have it nice, toasty and cheesy and ready to try. Ooh, look at that. Now that is a meatball sub, y'all. Oh yeah, it's nice and toasty. Baby, that's great. I gotta let this cool down for just a second. We're gonna try it. Look at that. That's better than Jimmy John's. That is a tasty meatball sub.